Big hello to my YouTube family. Welcome to Diva Classes. This is Divya Vadwani, your English teacher. Today we'll be studying about the last part of informal letter series, in which we'll be taking one letter and telling you how we are supposed to write it. So, beginning with our informal letter, I have taken this example from ISC PDF of sample writing of informal letter. The question is, imagine you are in a boarding school and have performed poorly in your terminal examination. Write a letter to your mother explaining the reasons for your poor performance and telling her how to plan to do better in the forthcoming examination. See, you are a grown up child. You need to know whenever you will get an informal letter. आपको छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल नहीं मिलेगा, आपको कुछ बिगर एग्जाम्पल ही मिलेगा, ठीक, बिगर फॉर्मेट ही मिलेगा आपको लिखने के लिए. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल डू इज, यू आर द फर्स्ट यू विल राइट दिस मच, you have performed badly. This is your first paragraph. Then second is, now you will tell her the reasons why you performed so, and last, how to plan to do better in the forthcoming examination. आपको ये सारे टॉपिक्स को अपने लेटर में इंक्लूड करना है. बिगनिंग विथ द एड्रेस वेयर यू लिव, ठीक, दिस इज एड्रेस, हुज एड्रेस, सेंडर्स एड्रेस, जो लेटर लिख रहा है ये उसका एड्रेस है. देन सी द डेट, सी द फॉर्मेटिंग ऑफ डेट. देन दिस इज अगेन योर सैल्यूटेशन, ठीक. इस सैल्यूटेशन में यू कैन राइट माई डियर मम्मी, माई डियर मदर, और एनी ऑफ द टोन, ममा, जो भी आप इसमें लिखते हो, जैसे भी आप उनको बुलाते हो आप ये उसमें लिख सकते हो. नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू जज यू और डिडक्ट योर मार्क्स ऑन दिस टॉपिक. Then starting with the opening line, I know you are very disappointed with my half yearly results. There's nothing, if you are writing something in which you have done something wrong, ये नहीं आप उसमें लिखोगे कि मम्मा आप कैसे हो, because ultimately you know what you have to write in that. So you have written, I know you are very much disappointed since your mother already knows your result. So you have written that you are very much disappointed with my half yearly report and that was received last week. I am truly sorry. Now you will show your regret कि आपने पढ़ाई नहीं की for the poor performance, and I am feeling depressed at having let you down so badly. I do not want to make excuses. Now he is telling, the person is telling the reason, but this last term have been in and out of the infirmary several times, means ये आया और गया, in which the person cannot do anything. He had a bad attack of malaria. Now he is giving the reason कि क्यों वो पढ़ नहीं पाया उस टाइम पर, and was unable to attend classes for about a week. Due to this his exams were affected. Okay, now barely had I got over this when I broke out in a rash. Now again he because of the medication, because of medicines, he got rashes. So now again he had to go back to infirmary. As a result of this, he missed many classes and he scored very poorly in the 3 subjects. Now he is telling ki how he is going to give back a better performance. Now just because he has picked up health, he is going to request the teachers to give him some extra assignments so that he can do it properly. यहाँ पर वो अपने reasons बता रहे. टेक टू पॉइंट्स कि हम 2 reasons देंगे, मतलब तबीयत ख़राब होने के 2 reason देंगे, इम्प्रूवमेंट हम कैसे करेंगे. तो यू कैन टेक 2 points in each. And then I also plan to do group study with some of my other boarders of my class, means I'll do it with my roommates or classmates. I'm sure this will help me to catch up with my students and I promise you I will score much better marks in the next unit test. ठीक, कि हम अच्छे नंबर लाएंगे बाद में. And please do not be worried, this is the closing line. About my health, I am much better. I look forward to meeting you during the mid-term break. So this is the last and the concluding line, and the last thing is yours lovingly. You can write any of the three things, your lovingly, yours affectionately, or your loving son, plus the comma, and then your first name. You will not write your last name since they already know, मीन्स रिलेटिव्स हैं आपके, परिचित हैं, तो उनको पता होता है ये सब चीज़ें. तो आपको इनफॉर्मल टोन में यू आर ऑलवेज सपोज टू राइट योर फर्स्ट नेम. योर्स में वाई शुड ऑलवेज बी कैपिटल. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. यू विल लीव line here. No thanking you in informal letter. I hope you have understood this much. Apart from this, now next we'll begin with formal letters. Apart from this, if you have any problem in any of the topics of English, please mention in the comment box and we'll surely gonna work on it.